Some quick driving impressions right off the bat. If you get a manual GTO, you're gonna have fun with this thing no matter what. This is my first time owning an American car like this, and it's such a strange experience. And I know it's technically Australian. Everyone's gonna say, oh, it's Australian, not American. You get what I'm saying? This thing drives like a Cadillac, but it handles in the corner like a Japanese sports car. It's a strange experience. It feels small. Sorry, it's dark. You can't see the interior, but this car feels very small for some reason. And that's not a bad thing. Like even second gear right now, 3,000 RPM, you just floor it. I'm used to the 4-cylinder turbo cars, and don't get me wrong, I still love them, but this is a whole different animal. It's a whole different type of experience. The one thing I will say about the GTO, this thing puts you in your seat no matter what gear you're in. And that's the great thing about it. I always thought the LS1s were substantially slower and boring compared to the LS2s, but this thing is a blast. One of my favorite things about these cars is not that many people actually know what it is. I had somebody in my YouTube comments think it was a Saturn. I wanted to get offended, but you really can't blame them. But even driving around town, other than the fact that my car is a color that kind of pops out, they blend in with traffic overall. So I guess if that's a good or a bad thing, that's really up to you. I don't mind at all. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you watching. If you've made it this far, drop a like and a comment for me, subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for a lot more content on this thing. It's gonna be well worth it, I promise you. I appreciate you.